Hi guys, it's Jake again from Windscreen, and today's video we're going to be showing you how to clean your windscreen inside and out. We've also got another video on how to top up your washer fluid as well. I'm going to go into now how to clean your windscreen properly and professionally. There's a couple of tricks I'm going to show you, so we'll go step by step and show you how to go through it. Today guys, the items that we will need is a bottle of glass cleaner, small bottle that you can keep in the car, and I have to have 2 clean microfiber cloths as well. Step 1, carefully lift both wiper blades and point them away from the glass. Step 2, spray one half of your windscreen with glass cleaner, making sure the entire surface is coated. Step 3, take one of your clean cloths and wipe the windscreen with a smooth, straight and vertical wipes. Step 4, wipe the same area of glass with smooth and straight horizontal wipes in the method to ensure there's no areas of the windscreen are missed. Step 5, repeat step 2 to 4 on the other half of your windscreen using the clean inside of the first cloth. Step 6, with the windscreen wipers still pointing outwards, spray the glass cleaner onto the blades. Take the cloth, pinch both sides of the blade and wipe downwards. This technique will help you ensure any dirt and grime that has accumulated in the grooves of your rubber is captured. Step 7, using the second cloth, buff the entire windscreen dry using small circular motions, making sure your hand avoids the glass as this can cause smearing. Repeat these simple steps next time you want to clean your windscreen. Comment down below the next video you would like to see. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to see more videos from us.